Hi, and welcome to Deer Valley Online Forensic Science 1 for the summer semester. I am going to be your teacher, Miss Rushforth. I currently teach forensic science at Deer Valley High School along with Intro to Health Careers, and I also am one of the athletic trainers at Deer Valley as well. So if you've played any sports or come to Deer Valley for any sports, chances are you've seen me riding around on my golf cart taking care of everybody. This summer, we are going to go through all of semester 1. As you can see on the screen, this is a sample of what everything is going to look like. The calendar is going to be over here. This is going to be your saving grace because it is going to show you when each module is due. We are going to move rather quickly, so we're going to have about 2 modules due per week. My due dates are going to be on Wednesdays and Saturdays, and then you can make up for a following week later. But we are going to be moving rather quickly. The topics are going to be as follows, right here on the screen. So evidence, fingerprinting. Our performance task is going to be on fingerprinting, so you want to make sure that you complete all of the assignments in the fingerprinting modules. And then you're going to have hair and fibers, drugs, handwriting, cyber. I'm probably going to condense handwriting and cyber together for this course since we are going to be moving rather fast. Other than that, I look forward to having you in this class. Thank you for taking this class, and I can't wait to meet you and to hear from you. If anytime that you need to get a hold of me, please use the message service in Canvas because it will notify me with a notification on my cell phone. So it's very quick for me to answer. Let me know if you have any questions. Welcome aboard. I can't wait. This is going to be a great summer semester. Talk to you soon. Bye.